Ryan standing beside a brand new 2027 Adventure 80RB. This is Adventure Manufacturing's top selling camper. You can see the brand new aesthetics of this thing. You have acrylic dual glazed windows. They have bug screens and night shades. At the front of us, we can't see it from here, but you have a light bar now. So like the Scout campers right beside us, Scout campers also built by Adventure Manufacturing in Washington. The Adventure campers now have a light bar. That's amazing. Less roof penetrations, less chance for any type of water to get in. There's some really cool updates inside this coach. Obviously, or this camper, you can see the look of it's totally different. Nice big awning here, but let's check out these new countertops, new colors, and new options inside this thing. So first off, we got our Richlite countertops. So this is the same kind of stuff to make cutting boards out of. Super durable, can cut on it. It's not going to attract any, bacteria, things like that. Nice big sleeping area, north south. Nice easy lights to use. Fan above the bed. Windows on both sides. Storage up here, which is a little bit tricky to see from where I'm standing. But there's a bunk option in here, which most of you have never seen. Now this, I have two hands right now, so this is better. But let's see. Got a bunk option that just rolls out. It's going to pop in here. So I have 3 kids myself, and I'm really looking at this model because of this. So this, I'll roll this back up, pop it out. Oop. Roll this up nicely. Try and make it look as hard as I can for the video, of course, but that's okay. Rolls up nicely, and now you have your dinette that swivels and moves around. But when you take it off, this couch actually rolls over, and it's going to make a full sleeping area this way. So my plan is, got a 5-year-old, 7-year-old, 2 kids here. Young one probably be with us for now, but eventually one kid will go on the bunk. Sleeping for 3 kids in this thing. So this is a game changer. This camper only weighs, I think, about 1,800 pounds. So dry weight on it. I mean, that's great. I just purchased a new 3500, so now I have tons of weight capacity to carry a camper like this. I used to be a Scout camper guy. I owned 3 of those, but now I'm looking for something a little more built out. My wife likes, a nice fridge like this. Got a dual cooktop in here. Pops down for even more counter space as if you needed more. We got tons of storage in here, storage everywhere, you can see it. Microwave, your Go Powers set up here, your air conditioner, plug it in, have AC. You have a huge wet bath here. So this is something that my wife is all about, is just having a nice toilet area. I'm not sure why. I like to go outside personally, but nice, tons of space in here. I'm 5'11". I'm not hitting equal my tippy toes maybe, but you'd be over 6 feet and still be okay in there. Comfortable seating, spot to put your feet. Beautiful in here. The colors, the finish, I mean, new flooring, countertops, just everything looks so dialed in here. But let's go to the other side of this guy. Nice step here. You can see here on this side, we're using the FastGun from Torklift. Strap it on, take the pin out, pop it down, latch it nicely with the belly bars. One thing you might have noticed is that there was no jack in the way. So underneath this somewhere, we pulled off the jacks on this side. So the 2027s have removable jacks. Trail snags, branches, things like that, you're not going to get snagged up. You can leave them at home or bring them if you want to remove the camper, but look how easy they stow. You can put them in your back seat, something like anywhere you want. Outdoor shower, so if the kids are wet and dirty, shower them outside instead of getting stuff over your camper. Perfect. 2 lithium batteries, 132 amp hours a piece, 132. They have a heat mode on them, so when it gets cold, you can turn on the self heater, keep your batteries warm in winter temperatures. Great stuff. On demand hot water. This is a Truma. I'm not great at playing with this thing, but see if I can open it for you nicely without, I'll have to pop it back in, but super easy to winterize. Pop this open, let your water drain out, lets all the water out of your valves. You have a rod just sort of the side, but really easy to use. Water connections, fills, 30 amp for your AC. Again, look at the design of this camper. You have solar on the roof. I don't know if we can get from here a little glimpse of the light bar beside this beautiful Overlander that Adventure Manufacturing also builds. There's a light bar up there now, super slick. But you just see the aesthetics of this 27 Adventure have improved. All the models are gonna have this new look. 200 watts of solar comes standard. I believe from factory you can do 400 watts. Lots of battery capacity, hot water on demand, tons of space inside. Again, the Richlite countertops, just a totally dialed 2027 Adventure camper. Check them out.